In this video, I will show you how to turn a photo into an oil painting. Once I have the image open, the first thing I'm going to do is duplicate the image layer. To duplicate the layer, I am going to click Layer, then click Duplicate Layer. I am going to name the layer Oil Painting. Then I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to convert the oil painting layer to a smart object. By converting the layer to a smart object, I will be able to go back in and change the settings if needed. To convert the layer to a smart object, I am going to click Layer, select Smart Object, then click Convert to Smart Object. Now I'm going to apply the oil painting effect. I am going to click Filter, select Stylize, then click Oil Paint. If the oil painting filter is disabled or not working, I have a video with some troubleshooting steps to correct this problem. I will put a link on the screen to that video. Once the oil painting menu comes up, I am going to make sure lighting is on check. I am going to enter 5 for stylization, 3 for clean lines, 4 for the scale, and 5 for the bristle details. The goal is to use settings that will give you the oil painting effect while still maintaining some of the image details. Then I'm going to click OK to apply the settings. Then I'm going to apply the oil paint filter again with the same settings. Since it was the last filter I applied, I can just click Filter, click Oil Paint, then click OK to apply the settings again. Now I'm going to enhance the brush strokes some more by adjusting the shadows and highlights. To adjust the shadows and highlights, I'm going to click Image, select Adjustments, then click Shadows and Highlights. I am going to put the shadows amount to 41%, the highlights amount to 25%, the adjustment color to -10, and the midtone to 35. Then I'm going to click OK to apply the settings. Now I'm going to color grade the image by clicking the adjustment layer icon, then clicking Color Lookup. From the 3D LUT file menu, I'm going to select Foggy Night. You will notice I have a whole list of these different LUT presets. If you would like to know how to get these additional LUTs, I have a link to that video on the screen. The effect is too strong, so I'm going to adjust the opacity to about 50%. I like the way the image looks, but I'm going to make one more adjustment. I am going to adjust the vibrance by clicking Image, selecting Adjustments, then click Vibrance. I am going to put the vibrance to 6 and the saturation to 24. Then I'm going to click OK to apply the settings. So there you have it. That is how you can turn a photo into a gorgeous oil painting using Photoshop. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe. Make sure to check out some of the other Photoshop tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.